Hello students, today you will study the measures of central tendency. Second part, mean is over, that is called the mode. Mode is a very important part in statistics which you are using in the business and in the collecting the data, finding the popularities, the companies find out the locality which brand is very popular. It is depend on the mode. Mode means the most popular things that we know in the class 7th as well as class 9th. Maximum time repeat data. Suppose the example is given 4 7 3 4 4 3 7 4 8. This data is given. You arrange it 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 and 1 9. You arrange in the ascending or descending order or formatable. You will get the 3 2 times, then 4 4 4 4, then 7 7 and 8. Now which is the maximum time repeating? 4 repeating how many times? 4 times. So mode is 4. Model of this is 4. Model means you are seeing here it is the most popular value in all the observation. So mode will be first observation, maybe second observation, maybe the last observation. It has not it is called the measures of central tendency, but central means center you are going, but in the median and the mean. Median is the middlemost value, mean is the per person average. It may be any number, but it is always a number. It may be a first number repeating more time, may the last number, may the middle number, which is repeating maximum time. If the xi and fi table is given, then 10, 20, 25, 27, 31, 40. It is given. The number of students. This is the marks obtaining by students 7, 21, 13, 31, 5, 14, 17. These are the students. 10 marks, 7 students are getting, 20 marks, 21 are getting, but which frequency is maximum? 31. It is a maximum frequency, therefore mode will be this. Therefore the mode will be this. It is given when the simply data is given. If there is a two values of same, suppose 4 is repeating 4 times, 8 is also repeating 1, 2, 8 is also repeating how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 and 8, then 4 and 8 both are the mode. 8 and 4 repeating 4 times. Which is repeating maximum time or two same, then both will be the mode. Both will be the model of that observation. It is a very important thing. Now, the question example 4 of your book is also given based on this. Maximum frequency value is called the, variate is called the, it is frequency, it is the thing, it is only counting number, it is the main value. So, mode, now you will study a special formula for this. Because you are going to solve the mode. It is a special formula you are seeing. For the mode, if the class interval is given, and then you want to find out the mode, frequency distribution table is given like this. Then how will you find out the mode? 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 40, 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Here total a frequency distribution is given 13, 7, 12, 18, 8. 12, 18, 10. 60 students are there. 60 students are there, you will find out the mood, but you don't know any formula. For this, mood has a very important thing. We will find the model class. Model class is a maximum frequency in which class? 12 is the maximum frequency. So, model class will be 20, no, not 12. 18 is the maximum frequency. What is given? 18 is maximum frequency. 18. It is maximum, so model class is this. Model class is the class which has the maximum frequency is called the model class. Class which has the maximum frequency. Class of maximum frequency is called the model class. Then mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. It is a formula of the mode. F1, F0, it is a very important formula, and only one formula you will use to find the mode if it is given class interval table. What is the L? L is the lower limit of model class. Take as assuming that all the class are equal width. F1 is the frequency of model class. F0, successor and predecessor, preceding frequency, preceding frequency of model class. Previous one means it is your F1 and it is your F0. Previous. F2, succeeding frequency of model class. Predecessor and successor. And H is the class size of model class. Now here you will get what is L? L is 30. What is F1? 18. What is F0? 12. What is F2? It is F2. 10. Suppose F1 is here, then F2 will be 0. If F1 is here, F2 will be this and F1 will be 0. Previous of this is 0. It is not necessary 18 is, maybe 18 is here. Then your model class will be this. In that case, previous no any frequency is given, then 0. After then F2 will be 0. So the mode is equal to H. H is equal to 40 minus 30, H, 10. You put the values 30. 30 is the L. 30 plus F1, 18 minus 12 upon 2 into 18 minus 12 into minus 10 multiplied by 10. You are getting all the things here. 30 plus 6 upon 36 minus 22 into 10. What are you getting? 60 upon 10 6 is 60. 2 7 are 14. 2 3 are. So 30 plus 4 point. So 34.29 is the mode of this. Mode is given here. It is greater than lower limit and less than the lower limit or greater than lower limit. Maybe here 0 is coming. 0 will not come. So 30 and 40 lies between 30 and 40. So it is a very important part that you are seeing. It is a question given example, and with this example you can solve this. A common example I have given. Example number 4 is given in your book. Example number 4. Example number 4 is given in the data. There is a number of wickets given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of wickets, example 4. Number of wickets given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And number of matches 1, 1, 3, 2. Number of matches means a 5 is given 1, 1, 2, 2. 1, 1, 3, 2. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. So what is your question? Your question is given, let us find the mode of the data. You will get the 0 wickets. We will make a question is given, make this type of the frequency distribution table. 0 wicket, 1 wicket, 2 wicket, number of matches, 10 matches are there, 6 wicket. All the values we have made the table by tally mark. So which have a maximum frequency? 3. 3 is the maximum frequency in this. Then the 2 is the mode of this data. What is the mode? 2. Because 3 is maximum frequency, so mode is equal to 2. Most frequently, how many wickets are taken? There 2 wickets are taken there. Example 5 is given. In example number 5, what will you get? Example 5. A survey conducted by the 20 household, its family size is given. Example 5, family size given in the class mark 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 7, 9 and 9, 11. And the FI is given here 7, 8, 2, 2, 1. You want to calculate what? Model of this, mode. So what is the maximum frequency? This. So the model class will be model class 3 to 5. Here it is F0, then it is F1, F0, F2. You are getting? So mode is equal to size 5 minus 3, 2. L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Put the values. What is L? L is 3. 3 plus. Generally students forget to put plus sign. Maximum in board copies I have got this fault. Many of you don't know where will you put it. 3 plus. What is the F1 given? 8. From here you put the values, this and this value you will take. 8 minus 7 upon 2 into 8 minus 7 minus 2 into 2. All the values you write down. 3 plus 1 into 2 upon 16 into 9. So 3 plus 2 upon 7. 3 plus so 3.29 is the mean. What are you getting? 3.29, that you are getting 286, that approximately 2 digits you are supposing. Like this you are getting here. It is the main question. Example number 6 is given, the table 14.1, example 7 is given in example 1. So we can do this like the same formula, and you can find out the 62, 52 marks. So the average is 62 is given there. Exercise 14.2. Exercise 14.2 we will see. After this there is some questions given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 questions are given. Question number 1 we'll see. Exercise 14.2. One question we'll see here. What is given here? Age given 5 to 15. 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65. Here the number of person is given FI 6, 11, 21, 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, 5. What is the maximum frequency? 23. So the model class is this. 35 to 45. What is L? 35 F1, 23 F0, 21 F2, 14. It is F1, F0, F2. H 10. Mode L plus F1 minus F0 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Learn the formula many times. Open your mouth. Find the mode and mean of the compare the interpret two measures of center tendencies. Compare and result. Mean also you will find out. So mode first you find out. 35 plus 23 minus 21 upon 2 into 23 minus 21 minus 14 into 10. That will calculate and then find out the mean also. You will find out the mean of this. Mean will be calculated by any method, shortcut, step deviation, any method what you want. So that will calculate 2 upon 46 minus 35 into 10. 35 plus 20 upon 11. 11 2 ja 11 1 ja 11 9 11 8 ja 88. So 2 11 1 ja. So 35 36.8. You are getting the 36.8 is the 35 more than 35. It is the mean. How will you calculate? Xi will find out. So you will get the Xi. It is a Xi you will calculate. Easily you will find out the same things. In the separate table you will make Xi 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 1, 2, 3. So any you will take. Values are given. If you are taking this here A, it is A, then di xi minus A, that is 0, fi di 0, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, plus 10, plus 20. Multiply by 6 3 is 18, minus 180, 11 to the 22 minus 220, 21 3 are 630, 21 no 11 to the 21 1 ja, it is wrong I have written. From here it will be 21 1 ja 210, and here 14 140, here 5 2 ja 10 100. So it is 240 plus it is minus 610. So what is the sigma fi di? Sigma fi di and sigma fi also. 80 families are there. Maybe it is given. How many families are there? It is given how many families above. So that you will calculate 80. So sigma fi is given. It is a sigma fi. So x bar is equal to a plus b bar. So what is the a? 40 you are taking plus 0 minus 0, 0, 240. 7, 5 minus 2, 3. 370 with a negative sign. Minus 370 upon 80. 40 minus 8 4 ja 32, 5, 8 6 ja 48, 35.375. You are getting 35.375 is the mean, and you are getting 36.8. Both are nearest. It is 36.8. Maximum person out of 80 families, maximum age is 36.8. Per person age is 35.3. Both are very close to each other. So you are getting, it is the maximum age, maximum person are of age group of 36, but per person age is coming 35. Per person age is coming. It is the interpret the result. It is very important that you are doing. That's all for today. Next questions I will tell you in the lecture. Thanks.